Welcome to our channel Maths Hub.
Hello everyone, this is Pratibha. Today we are going to learn an important topic, ratio and proportion. Do you know how we can compare two quantities? So by this end of this video, you can clearly understand ratio and proportion, how to solve the problem step by step. So here, what is a ratio? First we know what is a ratio. Ratio means a ratio compares the two quantities of the same kind. So here it shows how many times one value contains another. So the symbol of the ratio is to, and we'll see one example. There are three boys and two girls. Ratio of boys to girls is 3:2. Types of ratio, like part to part means 3 boys is to 2 girls, whole 3 boys is to 5 total students are 3 plus 2, that is 5. So we are asking for a boys, so 3:5. Now how to write a ratio? Step 1 is write in the form of A is to B. Example, 10 pencils, 5 pens. So 10:5. 10:5 means we can just cancel like 5 ones and 5 twos are 10. So if we can simplify, we can simplify. So here we can simplify, so that is 2:1. Next is what is proportion. Now we understood what is ratio. Now what is proportion? A proportion says that two ratios are equal. So it shows equality of two ratios. Symbol is like ratio only, we have to give 2. So we'll see A is to B, proportion to C is to D. Now A by B, so we can write like A by B, proportion to C by D. For example, we take 2:3, proportion to 4:6. So means like 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 6. So if you cross multiply, like A is to B, proportion to C is to D, then what will happen? So A into D is equal to B into C. So for this example, we'll just apply for that. So 3:4 is equal to 6:8. Like we check, 3 into 8 is equal to 24 and 4 into 6 is 24. So since both are equal, it is a proportion. In this video, you have learned the basics of ratio and proportion. The upcoming videos, you will learn how to solve the problems. Thank you.